Salam dostlar. Bu videoda biz men Manish dostum bilen şu videonu yasamak istedim sebebi Hindi dilinde men köp bizim Turkmen diline meňzeş köp sözleri, zatları gördüm zaten şoň üçin şu videonu yasamak istedim. Manish bu men kursdaşım, bile okuyas ve bile gatnaşas. Şu an öz Hindi dilinde birazcık özünü tanıştırar. Can you please introduce yourself in your own language?
ओके नमस्कार, मेरा नाम है मनीष और मैं आज बैठा हूँ अपने दोस्त यख्तियार के साथ और हम लोग आपसे बात करने वाले हैं आज कॉमन जो हमारे शब्द होते हैं, वर्ड्स, कॉमन वर्ड्स. सो ओवर टू यख्तियार नाउ आप बोल सकते हैं.
Elbette düşünün dersiniz yani käbir sözleri var. Onda başlayalım. Men İngilizce aydarım ve Manish dostumam. Onu öz dilinde aydar. Ondan sonra Türkmençe'de men aydarında onu deneştiririz. Siz kim görürsünüz? Okay, first word is the God.
Like God, there are 2-3 terms that we use. First is Bhagwan, then we use Khuda also, the
Yes.
God, then Ishwar also.
Yeah, I think the most similar is Khuda because
Okay.
we
You
say,
also like say Khuda
yes,
to God.
in some areas we say Khuda, like in particular in my area. Misal üçün lebap vilayetinde biz Khuda diyoruz. Şoň üçin Hindi dilinde hem Khuda diýerler bular. Şol ikisi bir söz Parsçadan gelen bolmagy mümkin. The second word is love.
Love, you say pyar.
Not particularly love.
Ishq.
Yes.
Okay.
It's love or in different meaning you use it.
Ishq means love, like when you are madly in love with someone, you say ishq.
Ishq or ashk.
Ishq, you say ishq.
Ishq.
You say
We say ashk.
ashq.
Yes.
Quite similar.
Yes, it's similar but maybe some pronunciation accents. İkinci söz aşk. Turkmen dilinde aşk sözü. Bularda Hindi dilinde ışk. We have also ışk.
Okay, you also have.
Yes, in some districts they use ışk.
Ishq. But you say ashq.
Yes, I say aşk. And in Turkish also they say aşk.
Okay, I was not aware about this.
Yes, and another interesting word is mistake.
Galti.
No, only mistake. Like you did something wrong. You use it.
Guna.
Guna also we use, but
Okay.
this is something different.
Okay.
Guna also same in by the way.
But guna means like extreme sin.
Sin. Yes.
Yes, extreme.
But
What you say in your language?
it's similar. Some people use, but mostly it's used in Turkey. It's hata.
Oh, khata.
Yes.
Khata. I think your is much similar to like the language that originated from Hindi or Sanskrit, like Urdu.
Yes.
Quite similar to Urdu.
Yes. Maybe I think it came from Persian.
Okay. Because it is adaptation, like.
Yes.
Yes.
Because our people also interacted with Persian, and your people also, Indian people also interacted with Persians.
So there is
maybe-
also influence of that.
Yes.
Yes.
Hata sözünü Türkiye'de kullanıyorlar. Turkmenistan'da ben kendileri eşitmedim. Diğer şey Türk'ten gelyenler zatlar aydarmasa yönü yine de bir şu hata sözü bulardı hem var ve günah sözüne kullanıyorlar kendiler. Onu şu an bildik. Şimdi ondan son söz what do you call to prince?
Prince.
Yes.
Prince. Rajkumar.
Or princess?
Rajkumari.
Maybe some Urdu type?
Let me remember.
Maybe in old stories. Something with Shah.
With?
Shah.
Şehenşah.
No, no, we call Shahzada.
Shehzada.
Yeah.
Okay. And Shehzadi.
Yeah.
Okay.
You don't use this word?
Like there are so many languages in India. So in Hindi, Shehzada, like I said, like it is more of Urdu influence. Like if you are moving from India to Pakistan to Afghanistan, then Turkmenistan. So maybe that part.
Maybe in more Muslim.
Muslim, yes, more Muslim context you can say Shehzada. But that Indian rulers used to say Rajkumar and Rajkumari. And Muslim rulers, for them we used Shehzada and Shehzadi.
So Raj means
Raj means king, kingdom,
okay.
and Kumari means the son of that kingdom. So Rajkumar, the son of the kingdom. So that is the name. Shehzada also like used, but
So
Mughal.
everyone understand if you use Shahzada.
Yes, everyone will get the language of like what you are saying, Shehzada. And for the Mughal emperors, if you know Mughals, for Mughals we use like Shehzada and Shehzadi.
Shahzada sözlerim.
Nawab, do you use Nawab?
Nawab.
Nawab, you don't use in the language. Okay. Nawab is also like royalty.
No, we don't use it. What will be king?
King will be Maharaja.
No, we don't.
What
We
you-
say Patsha.
Again, that
Say
Urdu, that Mughal emperor, Mughal Badshah.
they use.
See, for us Hindus,
Yeah.
we use Maharaja, like Maharaja of Chittorgarh, and for Mughal emperors we use Mughal Badshah. So the word is same.
Word is same.
Word is same. Like
Pronunciation also same.
Yeah, pronunciation is same. If you say Badshah, everyone will understand what you are trying to say.
Basically, Shah means in my language king.
Shah.
Yes.
Like Shah Rukh Khan is also like king.
Yeah, something
Okay.
king related to king. Şu padişah sözüken bareken ve şahzade sözüken bareken. Yönü Hindilerin ulanıyan delde Urdu diline birazcık Pakistan'ın diline yakınrak kontekste bareken. İndiki sözü geçemizde like every business has a logo icon, right? What you call it?
Chin.
No,
Nishan.
Nishan, yes. In old people like
Nishan.
when
Nishan
they
means
went fighting.
a symbol.
Yes, symbol.
Or a mark.
Yes,
Yes. Nishan.
Nishan.
I thought first I told you about like Hindus, chin. Then I thought like maybe let me try something of that Urdu thing. That
Yeah,
I
maybe
said.
all these words are from
Yes.
Urdu, I don't know, but
All like Urdu is also originated from Hindi and Sanskrit only, I think.
yes, but with more influence of.
But with more influence of like
Persian.
Persians.
Okay, we also use Nishan,
Okay.
and it's more like logo or when old times people went to war, they had Nishan in their flags.
Every kingdom has their like
Yes.
symbol.
Yes,
Like
symbol.
earlier, every king has its
Wolf,
symbol.
eagle or
Yes,
something
yes.
like this. Yes. Nishan hem Hindi'de hem ulanyan aykeler. Şimdi indiki söze geçemizde. Sky and ground. Two words.
Ground is zameen
Mm-hmm.
and sky is asman.
Yes.
Same.
Both are same.
Same in your language
Yes.
also.
Asman, Zemin.
Zameen.
We say Zemin.
Zameen. A little bit of like accent is
Yes,
different.
little bit.
But meaning is like
meaning is same.
Okay.
But Zemin more used in poems or stories. Old
More
stories.
kind like it may be like old
Mm.
old word like
Like formal word.
formal word. And what you say like in normal routine language.
Yer.
Yeah, it is completely different.
Toprak.
It is different.
Yes. Asman bilen zemin hem ulanyan ekenler Hindistan'da hem bizde de ulanyanlar doğru değil mi? Son için indiki söze geçeceğiz. Like every country has its flag It's emblem, and one thing more, which people play when they win football, cricket. They raise the flag and play that as a song. What is that?
National anthem. You're talking about national anthem.
Yes, anthem.
Gaan, Rashtriya Gaan.
No.
Let me think otherwise.
Maybe in different. I will try to explain. Like when you marry, you say this in order to ensure that you are getting married and you are agree with all these stuff to be married.
Not in Hinduism, but I think Muslims say kabul.
No, Kabul also we have, but it's
Barada.
agreement.
Jhanda.
Okay, I will tell you. Like it starts with ka.
Kha.
Second is ha.
Ha. No idea. Maybe you can tell, then I can.
Okay, kasam.
Kasam. Kasam means promise.
Yes, like and when you married, you also say promise, right?
Yes, yes.
I agree to
yes,
marry.
Kasam.
Yes, kasam.
Yeah, in the rituals, the priest says kasam khate hain. Showing that, yes, kasam.
We also have this, but it's in more formal way also. Okay, next word is every.
Every. Sab.
No, I hear it a lot here.
Tamam.
What's the word every?
बहुत सारे. Same.
No, bahut is maybe all.
Many.
But you need to say separately. In separate meaning, but you say every. Like, okay, I will tell you. It's har.
Har.
Yes.
No, I don't.
You don't use it? I heard.
अच्छा हर कोई.
Yes. Har device.
Okay.
You can use it or
yeah,
it's
we can
different?
use.
Because I heard a lot.
हर
of
कोई
times.
like हर कोई. If there is a word हर कोई.
Koi you need to add.
No. Har means every, and koi means one, like everyone. Har koi.
Okay.
It is not a single word har,
Mm.
but it is used with combination, like I mentioned, I told you right now, har koi. We use it combination, but it is not a single word.
We have a single word meaning, so
Okay.
that's why maybe I wondered. Same. This is another interesting word, and I hear it a lot in movies, in Bollywood movies.
Mewa.
No, another.
Okay.
Next. It's Jan.
Jan.
Yes.
Jan. Life.
Yes. Like they say Janam.
Oh.
And in songs also.
Someone you love, you can also say them.
Yes.
Jan.
Yeah.
Okay, so
in
in
our
that
language
English,
also same Jan.
if someone you love, you say Jan.
Yes.
Okay. You
It
not say
means
Janu.
life.
Janu.
Not Janu, but Janam.
Janam, yes.
Janam means my life, like
Okay.
you are my life or
Yes, we also say
my
that.
love. Yes.
But for that you have to be very much romantic to say Jan.
Yeah. But nowadays, young people use it all the time without
Janu, they say Janu.
Yeah, to
like
girls.
A more cute version of Jan is like Janu.
No.
But that is not in literally terms, but people made it like Jan.
Yes. The real word is Janam.
Janam, yes, Janam
And
is a
in
word.
our place, just they say Jan.
Jan.
Yes.
Jan also means life.
Yes, just life.
Yes.
Another word is hope.
Hope. Umid.
Yes.
Did
From
I
the
get
first
it
time.
from first time?
Yeah.
Umid, yes.
Umid.
Umid. Yes. Same.
Same, hope.
Yes.
And we also name people like this only for boys.
Oh, it's name of boys in your Umid.
No,
Not in India.
not in India.
Not in India. We don't like name boys Umid.
We have names Umid Jan.
But another word for Umid is Asha. Asha. In our language, and Asha we name like for girls. Asha. Asha, Umid, they are synonyms like, of each other.
Okay. It's interesting. Like another word is, the last word is master, professor, master in his whatever he does.
Master. Let me remember.
Yeah.
Malik.
No.
Like master, like someone.
Starts with u in our language.
U. You tell.
Okay. It's ustad.
Oh, ustad.
Yes.
That is again like ustad. We say like guru. Guru is also one word. I think you must have heard of like guru.
I heard, but we don't
like,
use it.
Guru is also some, and ustad is basically used for someone who teaches you something. Like
Yes.
not in terms of education, but like you are learning some musical instrument or singing, then you say like ustad.
What about professor, whatever he does?
Professor is
Not like professor, master, what he does. Like in professor also you can say.
yeah, you can also use ustad for that also. Like you are good at something.
Yes.
Like bhai, we say bhai bahut ustad ho tum. So
Yes.
yeah, that.
It's used in Hindi also or in Urdu?
No, Hindi also we
Yes,
use
okay.
ustad.
Bunlar sonki sözümüzde ustad, o Türkçe'de de kullanılıyor ve Türkmence'de de ustad diye kullanılıyor. Köp sağ olun gören için. Eğer de videonu halan bolsanız onda like basın, kommentarda soru verin ve indiki videolarda näme dinlemek, eşitmek isteseniz onu hem bize maslahat verin. Köp sağ olun. Goodbye.
Oh, it's over. So should I say in my language?
You can say like,
So, आप लोगों से मिलके बहुत अच्छा लगा, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. So it's nice to talk with. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and bye bye from my side.
okay. Thank you, Manish, for coming.
Thank you, my friend. Nice to meet you.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye everyone.